Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you step by step on how to enable dark mode in Windows 10 laptop. So let's see. Very first thing you want to do is to open up your Windows PC, and then the next thing you want to do is to come down below right here on the Start menu, right click on it, and this is going to come up. Then go to Settings, and it takes you right here. Next thing you want to do is to simply go to Personalization right here. Click on that. It takes you right here. Next thing you need to do, navigate to Color. From the top right here, click on Color, and it takes you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on here. Then make sure you choose Dark. And with that, your Windows 10 PC is going to drastically convert to dark mode. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply turn your Windows 10 to dark mode. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.